Hello, and this is the third video of how to make code in Scratch. So today, I'm going to be trying to teach you how to play the sound in the sounds area. So if you go to sounds, we haven't really done anything with it, but if we play it, it'll play a sound. So if we go into code, we can make that sound with the sound thing. You can play sound. Oh, my cat's meowing. We can play sound meow, and that will start the sound meow. But if we want this to be playing while something else is playing, we get play sound meow until done. So if we wanted to do something like, I don't know, move 10 steps, we play meow, and then they move 10 steps. But if we were just to put this on top, it would just be like, I'm gonna meow while moving. So we have that, but if we were just to put this in here, like moving, it would kind of sound a little bit weird. Just duplicate it, put it at the start. So let's not do that, but instead, let's make it so if this cat touches something, it'll make that sound. So let's make a new character. I'm just going to paint mine. You can just choose a classic character. I'll make a little purple cube that is angry. And we'll call this sprite evil, I guess. Now, we'll make it so when flag clicked, this thing, we'll make it so it'll forever be sensing if, go to sensing, touching. Now we don't want it to be mouse pointer. This would be like, if touching this, it'd be like, well, if I were to touch it with my mouse pointer, it'd be like, hey, 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 no. Well, it wouldn't do anything right now, but if we were to put that something in there, it'd be like, sound, so sound pop, which is a sound that this just starts with. It'd be like this. Sounds a little bit weird, doesn't it? So let's make a sound. Let's choose a sound. Like, classic meow will do. Make it a little louder. And we'll make it so we'll start the sound meow. But this still kind of sounds a little bit demonic. So let's make it so we wait 0.1 seconds between every detector. Maybe 0.01 seconds. Make it 0.1 seconds. So if we move that down here, our Scratch Cat won't react to it because it's not programmed to react to it. So let's get the purple block. So and make it so instead of touching the mouse pointer, which is right now, we'll make it so it's touching sprite 1. Let's just name sprite 1 player. So if touching player, we'll start the sound meow. How about we make this little creature that tries to hurt us, which doesn't really hurt us right now, move around. So let's also get a when flag clicked. Forever, go to the motion, and let's get the glide 1 seconds to random position. This is something that'll just make it so like every time it's done with this, it'll glide to 1 second to a random position. So we're like, okay, I'll glide up here, and then it'll glide down here, and then it'll glide over here, and it'll glide over here. and it'll only glide for 1 second. So let's make it so it glides for 2 seconds. Let's see if this works. There. Now we have a moving object that hurts us. Well, we make a meow noise when we touch it. But at the current moment, it doesn't really do anything but, like, make us meow. So, let's make a variable, and this variable will be health. And it will be for all sprites because we need to make it so this one can tell this one that its sprite is going, its health is going down. So let's make that a variable. And so let's go back to if touching player. If touching player, change health by -1. This will make it so it'll change the health, our cat's health here, by -1. So if we do that, it will do this. Well, right now, if we were to start the game, we'd start at -4 health, which I don't think is very healthy for cats. So if we go to the player AI, player script, whatever, we can set health to, I don't know, 100. It's a classic health thing. But we're not going to hide it because we don't want the player to know if their health is low or not. And there. Their health gets lowered when they touch it. And it like gives us an indicator that our health is getting lowered by making an cat noise. But if we were to get our health low enough, let me just make it so we could set health. If we were to get our health low enough to 0, it does nothing. So let's make it so when our health is at 0, it actually does something. So let's get another one green flag clicked for the evil. Yeah, a lot of green flags. Forever, if the health variable, if 50 is greater, if 1 is greater than the health variable, that means their health would be 0 or lower, then let's get a sound. Make an alien creak. And let's see if this works. So, forget the health. Let's set health to like to 3 or something, and let's get hit by the alien. So set health to 3. There. Now let's get hit by the alien. Now the alien makes a noise when we are at low enough health. I mean, it's not like the game ends because we can still get touched by the alien and lose our health. It's just it's making that annoying alien noise. So we'll work on that more in the next episode. But for now, I feel like we have a good enemy system going on right now. We have the evil cube who is walking around the map, and if you touch him, we meow, and after our health is less than 0, well, if our health is 0 or less, it starts making this alien noise. That's good for now. We'll make it so actually something bad happens in the next episode when you die. Bye!